In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if you are verified on Binance, walking you through a straightforward process that will only take about 5 minutes of your time. Verification on Binance is a crucial step for accessing a broader range of features on the platform, so let's dive right into the details and help you determine your verification status. First, you'll want to begin by opening up the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you've got it open, look at the top left corner of the screen for 3 horizontal lines, which is commonly referred to as the burger menu. Tapping on these lines will bring up a side menu with several options for you to explore. Next, you'll want to move on to the second step by tapping on your profile photo. It will typically show in the top left section next to your username or email address. This is your gateway to your account settings, so a quick tap here will get us one step closer to discovering your verification status. Now let's head over to the verification section, which is our third task. Look for the option labeled verification and tap on it. This part of the app is specifically designed to give you a detailed view of your current verification level on Binance. Upon entering the verification page, you should see your current level displayed clearly. It could say something like unverified, verified, or even verified plus. This information helps you understand what tier you are currently on and what features are accessible at that verification level. If you find that you are indeed verified, your name and status will be accompanied by a green check mark. This visual cue is an easy way to know at a glance that you've successfully completed the verification process on Binance. It symbolizes that you've met all the necessary requirements to climb up a level. Finally, if you're unsure or need an additional confirmation, there's a simple logic to follow. If you're able to access certain features like fiat deposits or enjoy higher transaction limits, it's a clear indicator that you are verified. These capabilities are often only available to users who have completed the full verification process, so if you can use them, there's no need for further speculation, as this confirms your status on the platform. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to checking your verification status on Binance. Whether you're just starting or have been using the platform for a while, knowing how to verify this information empowers you to manage your account more effectively and take full advantage of what Binance has to offer. I hope you found this guide helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.